Well, hi there, everybody, and good morning to you. We'll get right down to business this morning here as we have our spotter classes today. Two of those going on. Hastings National Weather Service will be down in northern Kansas, then Smith Center at the Nazarene Church there in town. 6:30 class going on there, and then the North Platte National Weather Service will be up in Blaine County in the town of Dunning. That's going to be taking place at the Sand Hills High School there, starting at 7 o'clock. And as I always say, would definitely recommend if you're in one of those areas heading to one of those classes, you'll get some great information about severe weather and how you can help out the local National Weather Service offices. Now, no severe weather out there for today. We've had a couple of spotty showers in central and southern Nebraska, but the main event has been up north where we've had rain change over to snow. Some reduced visibility is the biggest issue, and maybe totals up to about an inch or so, but that'll be clearing out this afternoon. We'll be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies. The better chances of some sun will be off towards the southwest. That's also where the warmer temperatures will be for today. Heading into tonight, increasing clouds. Here comes our next disturbance, a very similar one, although a little bit of colder air with it. Rain that would change over to snow, sleet possibly mixed in as well, but again, focusing the better chances up north where an additional inch of sleet and snow would be a possibility. That will clear out later on Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon, dry conditions under partly to mostly cloudy skies out there. We'll be looking at cooler conditions east, warmer conditions to the west. We're talking 40s east, 50s west, 60s out in the panhandle of Nebraska. As we pushed into Wednesday night, dry for the evening, but then later night, moisture getting drawn northward as south and southeast winds pick up. So we're going to see that Gulf of Mexico moisture lift northward, a chance of some drizzle or light rain by late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Much of that will stay light as we get into the daytime hours Thursday as that moisture continues to draw northward. So again, drizzle or light rain, potentially maybe a clap of thunder, but a better chance of some thunderstorms trying to fire up as we get into Thursday evening. Showers and thunderstorms will start to push their way through the area as we get towards Thursday night into early on Friday morning. Even a small chance of some severe weather. I think our best chance of rain actually will come into play as we get towards the daytime hours Friday and into Friday night. Still some claps of thunder, but more of a steady rain, and some very beneficial moisture should be on the way. And right now, kind of most forecast models are focusing on the northern and western part of the state for the best chance of heavier precipitation. That said, most of us have a chance. The biggest concern I have is that some dry air tries to get drawn up into the system as we get into the daytime hours Friday, and that may affect parts of the area, leading to lower chances of precipitation. I mentioned a severe weather threat. The Storm Prediction Center does have highlighted central western Nebraska, highlighted under a severe threat for Thursday, more so for Thursday evening and Thursday night. Right now, large hail looks to be the primary threat. This should be on an isolated basis, perhaps maybe some gusty winds with some of the strongest storms if we do see that. Now, way before this better chance of rain gets here, we have the slight chance yet this morning, some morning rain and snow, mostly snow now at this point. Otherwise, it's going to be colder up north, upper 30s around O'Neill and Ainsworth, mid 40s for Albion, Broken Bow, upper 40s for Central City. Out west, we're looking at mid 50s for highs, partly to mostly cloudy skies. I should also mention most places will see a breezy northeast wind today. Upper 40s, lower 50s around the Tri-Cities, a little warmer down in northern Kansas in the upper 50s. And to the east, we're looking at temperatures mid 40s to mid 50s from north to south. Could see a little bit of light rain yet this morning, especially near and north of the interstate. Now to the next 7 days. I kind of already talked about it a bit. Another weak disturbance later tonight, and then that light rain or drizzle Wednesday night to Thursday with a better chance of rain and thunderstorms Thursday night. But our best chance again Friday and Friday night. Rain, some isolated thunderstorms out there as well. We'll warm it up a little bit with that moisture and the warmer air drawing northward Thursday and Friday, and then cooler air works in for the weekend. Still some lingering showers for the first half of the day Saturday. Saturday afternoon and Saturday night looking dry. Most of Sunday should be dry. And then here comes our next area of low pressure as we get towards Sunday night and into Monday. This would be kind of a continuation of several areas of low pressure that will come through, kind of a low pressure train, so to speak, as we go through the end of the month and into the first part of April. And that would definitely be some good news to get many more chances of moisture down the road. So again, kind of a complicated weather forecast. Hopefully you made it easy to understand. Again, the better chances of moisture holding off until later this week with the slight chances earlier this week here. Otherwise, kind of trending cooler, none of the really warm days ahead of us, although some of those days where that moisture gets drawn up, some of those southern areas may approach 70 degrees here, especially I think on Thursday here. So lots to talk about. We'll be keeping you updated in the coming days ahead of us here. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you enjoy your day.